4541 for all the complainers is actually officially sold. This is my last little drive, man. I'm kind of tore up, but on the bigger and better, there's going to be something way faster coming. So, but this is it, the last little drive in the 240. I'm so fucking sad, man. This last little walk around. As soon as I hang up the camera, I gotta start pulling the VH out. He's gonna be back tomorrow to give me the rest of the money in the trade. That's gonna be it. The VH will be gone. That saga's done. But I think it's on to the next big thing back there. The 240 will have its day again. What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, make sure to check out the other videos real quick. Before we kick this off, let's drop comments below for the rip on the V8 swap. It is gone. But I think my main focus now is going to be turning this car into a show car. I want to get the engine bay painted, some wide body kits and stuff going on to it. I did get a full K swap, which is under that tarp, and a bunch of brand new parts on top of cash for the V8 swap. So it's going to be really nice. I already have an engine bay color picked out, but it really needs to be updated. I mean, it looks ratchet. It's super gross. But I want this car to be a show car, like this coming up Import Alliance. I want this car to be there. So this is the closest one that could be possible. The Z could be, it's all bodywork stuff, but I don't feel like doing all that bodywork in a hurry. I know you guys are also... Hey, Ty. You back for the vlog? Ty. Meow. I know you guys are probably waiting on updates on the Z's. It's been super hectic trying to record, jumping back and forth on both the Z's. This car, the back is kind of fixed. You can see it there. It also does have a swap. It's not in, but it's under the tarp. That will be a full video on swapping this car. It is not a V8. Unfortunately, we went another route, couldn't resist. It almost got us into a fist fight at LKQ, believe it or not. It was a pretty wild day. But this car has a full swap waiting for it. Ta-da. But yeah, let's just get this all readied up and ready for spray. I already have like my colors and everything picked out that I want to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump back on this beast. So I was pretty much on the phone the whole time I was cleaning it up. So I'm about to start pressure washing. I'm gonna block, you know, the holes that go inside the car. So I don't know why, but my time lapse seems to not be working. It keeps like cutting out really short whenever I'm trying to film. So it's all washed up. Now I just got to commence to like sanding it, and then hopefully we can get it sprayed today. That's my main objective, is to get it all completely sprayed out today. So everything's kind of taped off now, ready to be sprayed. I've sanded it, got it kind of like roughed up, and I'm ready for spray. It's all clean, taped off. It's been a while since I started shooting this video. I left and went to the coast for a while, but this is all in primer now. It was a silver color. I'll put a picture up real quick, but I didn't like that. So now we've got some hot boy purple pretty much that's going to be going on here. I just want to get a base coat of primer on real quick, and then this paint requires like a base coat and then 2, you know, normal coats. So I think it'll be lit. So that's pretty much that for this portion of the build. The paint looks really, really good, but coil towers are back in but not bolted. Wheels are back on. There's a long ways to go. I gotta pretty much get the engine bay cleaned back up, everything put back where it goes, redo the harness again, put the harness back up where it goes, put a battery tray back over here, and then the KA is gonna get put in. It's gonna look really good. But that's it for this. I'm heading out of town for a while, so I don't know when the next upload will be. If you like this video, check out the other one, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.